Hello and welcome back to Jordan's Everyday DIY. In this week's episode,
we are finally ready to show you our basement remodel.
Right. If you like our videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell, and you get the alarms when we're posting new videos. We try to post them weekly, but we'd really appreciate it if you subscribe and like the videos. Let's check it out.
Okay, so we are getting ready to redo our finished basement. We've lived in this home for 5 years, just over 5 years, and we really have done very minimal down here. So we are getting ready to get new flooring and to do some painting. So I thought we would take you along on the journey and show you some before video. We seem to be really bad at taking before shots. So we've already started to kind of move things around, bring things out of the other room. So it looks pretty messy down here, but I'm going to show you anyway. Okay, here's what the stairs look like. And we've just decided we are doing the luxury vinyl flooring down here, but because our stairs have this runner down the sides and it's only our wood flooring on the ends, we're just gonna go ahead and carpet the whole staircase. There is our dog, Jericho, and he is the main reason why we are getting the vinyl flooring down here.
Don't pick on that poor dog.
Okay, so here is our small little kitchen. We are gonna be redoing that. I'm gonna be using a new paint that I'm pretty excited to try and share that with you guys. Again, we'll be redoing all the flooring. The flooring is supposed to happen in about 3 weeks. So in the meantime, I'm hoping to get all this painted. We did just buy a new sectional down here, and I really wanted white, but as a lot of you probably know, right now in this pandemic we're living through, it is really hard to order furniture. It's taken a long time to get in. I had a really comfy big white one picked out, and the company that we ordered it from ended up going under, and so I was able to find this sofa, which is a dark charcoal gray, at Ashley Furniture. So if you guys are in need of some furniture, I can tell you where to go for that. My girlfriend can help you if you're in our area. And other than that, we are going to be painting the walls down here. Like I said, excuse the mess. My husband is putting in some rubber matte flooring in our workout room, and I'm getting ready to paint the walls here. So let me just back up and I can show you. These were the 3 colors I was looking at, and I have decided to go with this lighter color, and I'll link that below for you. It's a Sherwin-Williams. Let me show you over here our fireplace area and the bookcases. I'm really excited to paint those out and to style those out. I've wanted to do that ever since we've moved in. And we have this window seat here, which I think is going to be really fun to do. You can see our pool outside all covered up. This wall right here, I did paint. So this wall here, and then here around the door, and this wall was all like a really dark terracotta color. And so I did paint that to match the rest of the walls down here when we first moved in. But other than that, we've done nothing. So I'll be painting this hall down here. We are going to be getting new carpet in my son's bedroom. I am not going to show you that right now. And then here is the kitchen area. We'll be taking up all this tile and put the same vinyl flooring in here. Going to get some new countertops and do a new backsplash. So I'm excited to take you guys along on this journey. So this new paint I tried was called Heirloom Traditions. I really wanted to love it, and it was not what I was expecting. It was very hard to work with. Everything was supposed to smooth out and look like it was sprayed on. And honestly, I just feel like you can see so many lines in it. For myself, I will not use this paint again. We are so excited to show you how this basement finally turned out. We got new carpet for our stairs. You can see our new vinyl flooring. Painted all the walls, which took forever. There's our sweet little Jericho, who is not always so sweet.
Come on in. What can I get for you?
There's Brett standing in his kitchen that he worked super hard on. This is probably one of my favorite spots. What do you think, Brett?
I like it. I'm happy with the way it turned out.
Do you want to just say a little bit what you did? We have video that obviously we showed you, and I think we're going to break up some of these videos to show you in detail how we did it. Yeah.
I think the big parts in the kitchen that we did was we tore off the old countertop, made a new countertop. This one happens to be made out of bamboo. Actually some old bamboo flooring that I had laying around. And then the countertops, I was able to utilize some 1/4-inch thick Avonite or Corian, same type product. And I actually went right over the countertops. So we're happy with the way that turned out. And Melissa painted all the cabinets that were a real dark wood color. She painted everything black, so they came out great.
Well, actually they didn't come out that great. But I definitely would go back to my other paint. They look great from afar. I love the black color for sure. I'm not happy with the
Oh, and then the brick.
I love this coffee station here.
Forgot about the brick.
Yes. But as far as the paint goes, I will never use that brand of paint again. But it was worth trying. I love this mirror on this side. This was actually a mirror that we had upstairs in our dining room that we had taken down and was able to use it again. So yeah, we love this little kitchen area. Blake loves it. And the brick, well, you'll see in the video what we had done. Brett put real brick on here and it was a little bit too red.
Brick veneer, yeah.
So we decided to do the German schmear on it. Okay, now we'll head over, and throughout you can see this whole area is the vinyl plank flooring. And so that was a huge expensive job. We have it down here in the hall too, but well worth it. We needed it in here for sure. Over in our living room area, we got those pendant lights from Ikea, which I love, and they were really affordable. Our sectional couch, which if you have tried to buy any kind of furniture right now during the pandemic that we've had over the last year, it's been very difficult. This was not my first choice of a sectional. I actually had a white big sofa ordered and paid for that the store ended up closing and we weren't able to get it. But I do love this one. We got it from my girlfriend at Ashley Furniture. So if you're looking for a piece, we were able to get this right off the floor and got it for a really great price. There you will see that's the table that Brett and I showed you a few weeks ago that we redid, and it turned out really great for this space. It looks like a brand new piece.
Everything painted black, and then the wallpaper and the shelves.
Yes. So the shelving unit, I absolutely love. I think that the stacked stone that Brett did when we first moved in around the fireplace looks so good with the black mantle around it. And then I don't know if you guys can see the shelving unit. Maybe I'll come back here. But we actually, I shouldn't say we, Brett did peel and stick wallpaper back there. Do you want to talk at all about that, Brett?
No, it was peel and stick.
We started recording it, and then it was a little bit, it wasn't super easy. You got a little bit irritated when you were doing it, so we stopped recording.
Is that what we did?
But it looks great. I still have, as you can see, like some areas to fill in with the shelves. But if I waited till everything was perfect down here, we would never show it to you.
And everything painted black, or everything that is black down here, was formerly the real dark brown wood color.
Like an
that you
orangey.
see, yeah, in the photos.
There's that light fixture up close. It's so pretty. Although our son says it looks like a sombrero, which it kind of does. This is just a piece that I actually had down here. I had this piece in our home that we came from before, but I just changed up what I had on the top of it.
New lamps, yeah.
Yes, and I really do love the color paint that we chose for down here, and for the life of me, I can't remember the name of it, but I'll make sure. It's a Sherwin-Williams color, and I will make sure to link that below. The main reason why it took us so long to be able to show this finished part to you guys is this table right here. So we ordered it off of Amazon. I am in love with it. Let me show you a close-up look. If you guys are looking for a round table, I highly suggest this one. It is a little bit like rough.
Textured.
So it's textured, but it's really, really pretty. We got the largest one, which
71-inch round.
71-inch round, but it does come in 52 and I think even a smaller one. I think
Something
there's
like that, yeah.
3 sizes. And then we also ordered these chairs off of Amazon, and they came as a set. So we ordered 4 sets, and they were really affordable. So we'll make sure to link that too.
Yeah, just had to put the chairs together, and yeah, love the table, just not the supplier on Amazon. So that was a nightmare.
Yeah, but it finally got here, and it was worth waiting for. I picked up that basket in the corner for our pool towels, because our pool is right off of this room. I can't wait now to get outside and start working on the landscaping out there. So I guess it was 2 falls ago, my girlfriend and I went to Texas to the Magnolia Farms, and one of the things that they had in several of their stores in different areas was using an area rug on tables or like on a side table like this. And so I've wanted to incorporate that in something since I've been home. And because this table is so large, I was able to use it on this table, and I really
And you can
like
put your
that.
shoes up there too then, right?
No.
Oh.
No, that would not be good. And then the last thing I just wanted to mention for down here is this area right here. It's funny because I wanted a piece for this center part, but I didn't want it to be black because we have a lot of black going on here now. And I didn't want it white because I knew it was going to just kind of hide with the wall color. So when we redid the boys' bedroom upstairs, I had this dresser up there, and I really love the shape of it and everything. I found it at an antique store, and I had repainted it a few years ago. And so when I had the guys bring it down here for me, I thought I was going to need to repaint it, but I ended up really loving like this light gray color down here. So then I just swapped out the handles on it, and it looks like a new piece. But I really love this sign that I was able to make on my silhouette. This is, does he call it a liturgy that he says at the end?
I think so, but
Okay. So our son Chad is a pastor, and if you ever want to catch his sermons online, he is just an amazing teacher. But we have communion every week, and we read this, and it just talks about coming to the table. So I just think that it really adds just a special touch down here, and we look forward to having company over here and having dinners and just
it's a hospitality sign.
yes, inviting people over. So yeah, we are excited. For the most part, this area is done. If you guys have any questions on any of the items that we used or how we did something, we're going to do some more videos that really show in particular like certain jobs that we did. But yeah, it's done and it feels really good.
Hopefully you enjoyed this, and hopefully you can get something out of it, get some design inspiration and some do-it-yourself attempts at some stuff. A lot of the stuff down here we tried for the first time, so give it a shot. Till next time, stay blessed.